Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome. Today in additional with extra puzzles. Um, in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 16th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics. In Dutch, they call it a Saiva block. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the final puzzle is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So only 4 of them I will solve, and those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. But the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku number 5022. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. This one has 25 printed digits. But yeah, it's a kind of difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. And but for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my average time. 20 to 30 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Wow. 3, 4 twos. 1, 4. Oh, sorry. 2 threes. 1, 4. How about 5? 1, 2, 5. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 3 eights. And 2 3 nines. Yeah, 3 nines. So the ones and the twos are in majority. So let me start with those numbers. Can I start with those numbers? That's the question. Here we have 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the row below, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in the first column should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. The 2 then. Can I start with the 2? Let me see. Will be difficult. Well, not quite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 2. Could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with 2. Let me check for other digits. How about a 7 in the third column? The 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Well. Will be difficult. How about? We have here in the middle column 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. I hate to mark boxes outside the big square, but otherwise it will be difficult to follow. So here we have 4 and 6. So 2 numbers left in the middle column. Those numbers are the 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. Alright. 1, 1. And the 3 should be here. 4, 6, 8, 9. 8, 8. Well. 2, 1. Yeah. Let me see. 6 should be here. 6 should be there. Yeah, I'm scanning. 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in the last column, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this first column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be here. This box is reserved for the 3 and the 5. Okay, so this box should be a 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here in the third row. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Now I can finish with the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row B3 in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright, how about the 2 then? Still cannot continue. Well, no, 2, here the 2. Here the 2, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this second row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 in this row, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And now I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes with 4 and 6. Now we have a 6 here in this big square. This box can be 6 anymore. This box should be a 4. And 1 box left in the middle column for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 3, 3, 3, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 6, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4. 2, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in the first column are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and look, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5, I believe. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, yes. 5 and the 6, we have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. Here's 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see Digit number 4, number 6. Okay. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Still cannot. Oh, now I can fill the twos. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 in the third row, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. 2 numbers left in this row. First row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 8 and the 4, 8 and the 4. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. Oh, no, we have a 2. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Surprise! 3 and a 5. So these should be also 3 and a 5 in the last column. 3 and a 5. But we have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here in the middle row, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this second column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, third row. 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. Hell no, it's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle. A 4-star Sudoku. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.